want to keep a little more distance for me, please?
Nah, I'm good.
I know you know what you can do, so if you would, please keep a little more distance.
Yeah, I'm good right here. If you're going to enforce the law, you need to know the law. And if that guy wants to give me unlawful orders, I'm going to let him have it.
Okay. Not that you generally need anything from us, but if you do, you'll just let us know.
Can you have a talk with him?
Yep, I will talk with you.
All right, folks, here we go again. A newer channel. This guy does a good job on this video. This is what we like to see. Supervisors coming out and putting their officers in check. Razor City Observer stood his ground. He didn't let himself get punked by this cop. You guys are going to love this video. Go subscribe to his channel. Links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right to it. Enjoy the video, folks. Hope your coffee's good this morning.
Just want to keep a little more distance for me, please?
Nah, I'm good.
I know you know what you can do, so if you would, please keep a little more distance.
Yeah, I'm good right here.
No, you're not, sir.
Yeah, I am.
You are not good right there.
I'm good right here, man.
Sir, you are not good right there. With you standing there, I have to focus my attention on you and not my...
No, you don't. Your ADHD ain't my problem, man. Howdy, y'all. Razor City Observer. Just wanted to put something out in the beginning of this video saying some of these aren't my proudest moments. Could have done better. Could have stayed calm. Could have not talked over officers, or one officer in particular, Ryan Mihalis. He came and did his job, and I was just amped up, and I started talking over him, and I didn't quit. So if you watch this, sir, I appreciate what you do. Thank you for coming and doing your job. And you know, we're all learning in this life. It's hard to keep your composure. I wasn't going to do anything illegal. There were no threats of violence. There were questions. Anyway, just wanted to put it out there. I'm working on it. Razor City Observer. Peace.
I'm asking you right now.
I'm not here to hurt you, man.
A little bit more, okay?
Not here to hurt you. Do your job.
I do not know.
Do your job.
I'm not doing my job until you back
Cool.
up.
I guess we're waiting.
Staying here until another unit gets here.
Guess we're waiting. Got a gun.
That's understandable, okay, man?
Got a gun. Got a taser. Come on, bro. Nobody's here to hurt you, man. Just filming.
That's fine, but you know what you need to do. And if I'm asking you,
Bro, I'm on public property.
I don't care what property.
Cool.
you're on.
Do your job.
Okay, I'm not going to do anything else. Until
Cool.
I get
We'll
the
wait.
space I need.
We'll
I
wait.
can do it safely.
We'll wait.
We will wait.
Yeah. Don't give me unlawful directives, man.
You're fine, okay? I know you don't, man.
I'm not here to cause trouble for you either, man.
Yes, he knows what distance he knows it's way too close. So they can get dealt with here, so you can stay where you are.
I'm not too close. Get your supervisor on the way here.
I've already called him.
Get your supervisor on the
Already
way.
on the way. I've already
Cool.
called him.
Here he is. Good.
Don't need to repeat myself again.
What's your name and badge number?
It's Totsky, 427.
Cool. Appreciate it. I'm not here to hurt you, man.
You can say it all
I'm here
you
to
want,
film.
Okay?
I'm here to film.
You can say it all you want. If I ask you to back up...
Don't give me unlawful directives. Don't give me unlawful directives.
It's not unlawful.
Don't give me yeah, it's unlawful.
No, it's not.
You have no authority over me, man.
Sure do.
Zero.
You're interfering with...
Zero. This is not interference.
Yes,
I'd say before these First Amendment audit and cop watch videos came out, interference used to be cops' go-to charge. If they didn't know what to charge you with, they would just charge you with interference. Imagine how many people pled guilty to interference when they weren't actually interfering. That's a crying shame, folks. That means people in America have been convicted for non-crimes. Think about that. There should be absolutely no absolute immunity for district attorneys who convict someone who has not committed a crime. Keep that in mind. Keep watching.
Interference is physical.
interfering...
No, it's not. Let him know.
What I need to do, okay?
Let him know.
So until you give me the proper...
Let him know.
Supervisor's on the way. He'll be right here. That's not...
He's talking to me. He doesn't need to talk to me. He needs to do his job. Cool. Do your job. He was in his car when I got here. I didn't say a word. He said it. He started it. Do your job.
Supervisor will deal with you when he gets here, okay?
He's going to deal with me. I'm lawful, man. Do your job.
Yeah, as soon as I get enough units so I can do what I do.
Oh, my God. You got 3 guys here.
One's dealing with you. As soon as I get one, I'll deal
Oh, my gosh, dude.
Hey,
My gosh.
Hey, just get out of here.
Fucking coward, dude.
Corporal, I just asked him to give me a little more space.
Bro, I'm right here.
He wouldn't do it.
I'm lawful. Have a good night. Do your job.
You're fine.
Yeah, I'm pissed.
Daniel looks like
You're fine.
I don't cause these dudes no problems, man.
I get it.
Woo, boy.
As long as you're
Fucking pussy.
as long as you're doing
Woo.
we're not worried, man.
I'm not, bro, I don't ever cause you guys
No, I
problems.
know. I 100% agree with you.
He's gonna tell me what the fuck to do? I'm pissed. Never had no problems with you, other than Norlander, man. That guy's a fucking pussy too. Yeah, straight up.
Well, I'm not worried. I figured if it was you, I'm not worried.
I'm the only one here, dude.
Well, we've got a couple others now.
Really?
Yeah, but
Good shit.
But
Good shit. You
but
guys are good, man.
But unfortunately,
you guys are
the
good.
other two got in a fight the other night.
That's not me, bro.
No. What I mean is they the two other video people.
If that guy wants to drop his badge and his gun and fucking get it, we can get it.
Well,
that pisses me off, man. I don't ever cause problems.
and I would agree with you, 100%. Okay.
He's got a gun. He's got a fucking taser. I'm not here to cause problems. And if he wants to equalize me, man, look at me.
You do what.
Look at me, bro.
I know. You do what you need to do. Okay.
Ugh.
Do you need anything from me? I'm gonna get out of your hair.
No,
Okay.
you're gravy, man. Hey. Can I get your name and your badge number, bro?
Yeah, my name's Ryan Mihalis. It's 377.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you. I'm not here to cause problems, man. Just put them in line.
I got
It's
you.
simple. I understand.
We'll deal with this once this all
I don't know, and I don't know the other two dudes, but I'm not taking no shit from anybody, dude. I'm not doing it.
I got you.
Not from another dude on the street. And if that guy wants to give me unlawful orders, I'm gonna let him have it.
Okay. If this is what you're doing, I'm not worried, Curtis.
This is all me, man. This is all I do.
Well, from my experience, I've never had any problems.
Yeah, nobody else has given me shit, bro, other than him and Norlander now. So, and hey, you might want to pass a message along, dude. I don't really appreciate Norlander stopping by my house early in the morning.
Okay.
And I told him about it.
Oh, you
I'm a man.
Yeah.
I told him about it.
Okay. When did that happen?
I can't remember the date, but it's on.
Yeah.
I'm not a dumbass, man.
Did he stop at, I guess I wouldn't know.
I'm pretty sure he ran plates on a car that was parked in my driveway.
Okay.
Yeah, it pisses me off, man. There's no traffic infraction going on. There's no... Same with him.
Yeah, I got you.
I mean, the only people that I've ever had problems with is... I don't even remember his name. Because all I did was walk around the corner, man, and I stood right here. And he's like, you need to get back. You know what you need to do. And I said, yeah, I do. I'm lawful right here. I'm on public property, man. This is an easement. You know what I mean? I mean, if you're going to give directives, man, you got to know the law. And that's what I'm out here for, man.
Yeah, I got you.
If you're going to enforce the law, you need to know the law. Feel me?
I think you're going to be perfectly fine now.
I am. Yeah.
I'll get out of your hair.
And I'm good, man. You know,
You need anything?
I appreciate
not
you,
that
Ryan.
Not that you generally need anything from us, but if you do, you just let us know.
Can you have a talk with him?
Yep, I will talk with you.
All right. I appreciate it, man.
I wasn't present for
I know.
anything, so I'll talk
Hey, you
with
came
you.
and did your job, man. And that's what I want. That's what I want. I appreciate all you guys. We need good police. We don't need ones that don't know the law. We don't need ones that... That's my whole point of being out here. I'm from a different city.
Yeah, like
I'm
I
from a
said,
whole
I've
different
never-
city, man.
Never had any problems with
Ooh,
it. So.
aye. There goes my gimbal.
Uh-oh.
We're good.
Never had any problems, so I generally don't worry about anything. If you,
Right, man. I'm not going to cause you guys any trouble until others give me unlawful directives, man. I ain't doing it.
Yeah, I get it. I
You know?
totally understand where you're coming from, okay?
I appreciate you, Ryan. Thank you, man. Totsky. P. Totsky. Pretty good idea what the P stands for. Supervisor dealt with your ass. Not mine, Totsky. That's some funny shit. YouTube! Say hi, bro. Usually people say hi, Mom, when they get on camera. You gave me unlawful directives. Fucking A. Just do your job. Not shit to say now. I like it. Perfect. Can I have an apology, Totsky? Why the fuck would I have to go to the police department to get it? We're standing right here. Bro, we can be cool, man.
Yeah, and you're gonna cuss and swear? We're not gonna be cool.
What's wrong with that? You don't cuss and swear? Give me a break, dude. Cut me a break, dude.
The first cop tried to throw around his presumed authority, but Razor City observers checked him, and his presumed authority wasn't able to turn into unbridled power. And that's exactly what cops think they have, unbridled power. When you folks don't know your rights, and you don't stop a cop from trying to violate your rights, you give them unbridled power. But folks, in reality, all they have is presumed authority. They are made to believe that they have power over you. Every day before they go out on patrol, they're being briefed to run as many people as they possibly can through the ringer to see if they got warrants so that they can hopefully get as many criminals off the streets as possible. But folks, the truth is, the people of America in general have not committed any crimes just for waking up, walking out of their house, and going on about their day. If police do not have reasonable, articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime, you do not have to identify, folks. And keep in mind that cops need to have SAF, S-A-F, a single articulable fact that you committed a crime in order for a cop to arrest you. This is Police Talk 101, folks. And what we highlight here is police hypocrisy 101. Just like this cop who acted like he couldn't do his job because somebody was standing there with the camera. This is some real shiesty policing, folks. Not wanting to be held accountable. Now I'm going to talk about the other cop that came by. I didn't see any stripes, but from my understanding, he was a supervisor. This is what we like to see, folks. Supervisors coming out, having a threat assessment, making sure everything is okay. And he had a great conversation with the videographer. That conversation alone made me believe that that's a good cop. Somebody who's not trying to hide anything. Now, I know what you're going to say in the comment section. There are no good cops. I'm not going to argue with that. But what I will say is, since we do have police, since I don't ever really see police going away in general, what I do want to see is police officers who are not afraid of accountability and transparency. With that being said, folks, I've taken enough of your time for today. Go subscribe to Razor City Observer's channel and let him know that San Joaquin sent you. I will see you guys in his comment section. I want to see his numbers get up there. I really do like this guy's attitude and his demeanor. I think that he is what this community needs. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video if you subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.